told me I'm a fighter, but I see you creeping on me, and these thoughts are all below me. Love me longer, hold me tight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today we're talking about this skin care kit, black owned business called Psalms Natural. I am trying out the skincare kit. I am unboxing it for you guys. Here we have some 100% authentic African black soap in the box, some lemon poppy scrub, 100% natural ingredients, no parabens, no sulfate, vegan, cruelty free. We also have some virgin organic shea butter. This is basically an exfoliator, you guys. So it's basically going to brighten and tone your skin while gently exfoliating the old skin cells to reveal a fresher, more brighter you. The ingredients include sugar, fresh lemon, organic coconut oil, virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, poppy seeds, lemon essential oil, and vitamin E. And here we have the organic shea butter. Ooh. This is considered the highest quality shea butter on the market, you guys. You can make your own little body butters with this or just use it plain. It instantly starts to melt when it hits your skin. And then of course in the skin kit we have 100% authentic African black soap, which fights acne and clears up dark spots and discoloration on the face and the body. Of course, Psalms Naturals has plenty other products on their website. You have to go check it out. But I was sent the Geranium Lavender Whipped Body Butter to try out. This smells absolutely amazing. It's not too whipped, but it's not too hard either. It's like the just right consistency. This includes virgin shea butter, organic coconut oil, virgin olive oil, lavender essential oil, and geranium essential oil. Smells very good, I might add. Also, I tried out the Touchet body butter in a smaller container. This has to be my favorite, you guys. I love how natural it smells. When it has a natural smell to it, I just fall in love with it. It's not too overwhelming. A little bit goes a long way. This only has coconut oil, virgin olive oil, vitamin E oil, and shea butter in it. That's it. As I've said, they have a whole lot of other products you guys have to check out on their website, like beard oil and all of those different types of things. Do check it out. Soaps, other types of scrubs. You just have to check it out, okay? This is not it. This is not the only thing. This is just the skin care kit that you could buy and get 3 products in, which is the virgin shea butter, the lemon scrub, and the African soap. I will be doing an updated video on how I feel about these products, so stay on the lookout for that. Thumbs up this video for me, please. See you guys in the next one. Bye.